Let's be honest, waiting 2 weeks for a paycheck, that's a rich people's game. What if your money could show up today, in your pocket? No waiting, no catch. Stay with me, because I'm about to show you 3 side hustles that pay you daily in 2025, starting from the easiest to the pro level. And trust me, most people miss the smartest way to stack them. You won't. Hey hustlers, I'm Gatun Isidora, your Gen Z money guide who's walked the same broke mornings and who's tested side hustles so you don't have to waste your time. In this video, I shall personally guide you through real working daily paying side hustles in the US that requires zero investment. Not tomorrow, not next week. You can start today. I shall help you choose the right hustle based on your skill level. I shall reveal common mistakes that keep beginners stuck and the smart play to actually win. And I shall show you my professional hustle stacking formula that builds consistent daily income, even if you're starting from zero. Stick with me, because this isn't about chasing coins. It's about earning smart. Let's begin. Level 1, Easy Gig Walk, the Quick Start Hustle. Level 1 is your Quick Start Hustle. It's called Gig Walk. This is perfect for you if you've never hustled before or want to earn money while walking to school, shopping, or commuting. What is Gig Walk? It's a simple app that pays you to complete micro tasks in your neighborhood. Tasks like taking photos of product shelves, checking ... if signs are correctly displayed, verifying prices inside stores. How to start smart. Step 1. Download Gig Walk from your app store. Step 2. Allow location and open the map. Step 3. Gigs nearby will appear. Step 4. Accept. Complete the task, upload photos, get paid. Real pay. Gigs pay between $5 to $50. Most approvals come within 24 to 48 hours. You get paid directly via PayPal. Pro hustle tip. Start with small stores first. Fewer people take those tasks, so you get faster approvals and higher completion rates. Biggest beginner mistake. Don't skip reading instructions carefully. 95% of rejections happen because people rush. Be precise. Be fast. Be clean. Level 2, Medium. DoorDash Fast Pay, flexible daily cash. Now, let's move to Level 2, for those ready to step up the hustle game. This is DoorDash with Fast Pay. Why is DoorDash powerful in 2025? You can now earn guaranteed hourly rates using their Earn by Time option. You can cash out daily with Fast Pay. No need to wait a week. Tips are much more frequent now, as Gen Z customers prefer fast, cashless payments. How to join smartly. Step 1. Download the Dasher app. Step 2. Sign up with valid ID, car or bike. Bike is available in many cities now. Step 3. Set your Dash area. Target zones with high order demand. Step 4. Deliver during lunch, 11 a.m. 2 p.m. and dinner, 5 p.m. 9 p.m. for peak bonuses. Real earnings. Average Dashers make $80 to $150 per day. Fast pay option. Instant withdrawal to your debit card with only a $1.99 fee. Smart pro tip. Turn on the stack order setting. This allows you to deliver to multiple customers in one trip, equals more money and less time. Mistake to avoid. Don't waste hours in low-demand zones. Always check your city's heat maps in the app to maximize earnings. Level 3, Pro Steady app. Smart multi-gig hustling, now for the pro level. This is where you stop hustling randomly and start hustling like a system. Welcome to the Steady app. It's not just a gig app, it's a multi-hustle command center. Steady finds you verified daily paying side gigs based on your location, your skills, and your schedule. How to start like a pro. Step 1. Download Steady from your app store. Step 2. Create your free profile and enable notifications. Step 3. Search for jobs under daily pay or quick gigs. Step 4. Apply directly for tasks like local moving help, event setup, light cleaning, virtual assistant gigs from home. Real income. Many Steady users make $200 to $500 extra per week. The app offers income boosters, bonus jobs that pay within 24 hours. Smartest pro tip. Enable exclusive offers in settings. These are fast-closing gigs with priority payouts that 90% of new users miss. Mistake to avoid. Don't sit and wait. Steady's best gigs go fast. Apply within the first 30 minutes of listing. Hustle stacking formula. Multiply your daily income. Now, here's what most people never figure out: how to combine these hustles into a reliable daily system. Morning hustle. Start with gig walk. Finish 23 quick tasks near your home. Afternoon hustle. Activate DoorDash. Focus on peak hours for maximum delivery volume. Evening hustle. Apply for steady virtual gigs or same-day local errands. This is what I call hustle stacking, combining short, medium, and quick, and long gigs to create consistent daily cash flow. With this system, many side hustlers are making $100 to $200 per day, every day, all without spending a single dollar to start. Dear hustlers, I know this world makes us believe you need a big job, a big degree, or big investments to win. But here's the truth. If you're willing to show up, stay smart, and stack the right hustles, your money can show up daily. If this video helped you, please like and share it. Not for me, but for the next Gen Z hustler who's still scrolling, looking for something real. Comment, "I'm ready for daily income, Gatoon," and I'll personally send you more hustling tips in the next videos. And don't forget to subscribe, because here at Gen Z Finance, we build income, confidence, and freedom, one smart hustle at a time. Thank you for being here. See you in the next one.